More than 2,000 homes and businesses could be impacted by flooding in the River Valley. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Caitlin Zollner. Those numbers are based on Fort Smith's projected neighborhood flooding maps. Officials say up to 200 people are estimated to be displaced in the city, and that's a number they expect to increase. Emergency management officials have asked people in the projected flood zones to evacuate no later than tonight. They say police will be patrolling evacuated areas to protect homes and valuables that people leave behind.